friends, welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you kids? I'm sure you all are fine, and today we are shooting the farm animals bird. We have the 4 big wild farm animals as we have over mud ground. We have this big camel, we have this big horse, and we have this big beautiful cow, and we have this big beautiful rabbit. So these 4 big farm animals leading today this farm animal story, and this story is very interesting and educational. So you will learn about these farm animals, their name, their habits, and their video. So you ready kids? Let's go, let's start and discover the farm animals. And we have the cute farm animal today, as we have this beautiful llama, and llama is a very cute farm animal. Let's watch him. Here we go, llama. And now we have the second one, and we have a very cute goat here. And goat is a very cute, a medium-sized, beautiful farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go, goat. And the next one we have is a panda, which is no doubt a very beautiful and lovely farm animal. Wow, panda is a very interesting animal, and his species is endangered. So save pandas. That's our today's slogan of the video. Let's watch him. Here we go, panda. And the next one we have is a big sheep here. And this big sheep is a very beautiful and a medium-sized farm animal who has 2 horns on his head. And this sheep is a very adorable and playable and dancing animal as well. So let's make him clean. Here we go, sheep. And now the next one we have is a big farm bird who cannot fly, which is an ostrich. An ostrich is a very big bird, a big farm animal who cannot fly, and he has a very big egg as well. Let's make him clean. Here we go, ostrich. And the next one we have is a cute cat, which is no doubt a very beautiful and funny and dancing farm animal. Let's make her clean. Here we go, cat. And the next one we have is Rooster, who has a beautiful and lovely sound. And you know the sound of Rooster? Here we go. So we have this Rooster, another farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go, Rooster. And the next one we have is a dog, which is a very loyal, a very funny and a dancing farm animal. This dog is very dirty, so we will wash him kids. Let's go. Here we go, dog. And now the next one we have is, we have a beautiful hen. Wow, this hen is a very colorful and a very useful farm animal who gives us eggs every day, and eggs are energy. We take eggs in our breakfast. So let's clean this beautiful and useful hen. Here we go, hen. Now let's see what we have, and we still have a lots of farm animals. So let's go for this donkey. Another big farm animal and a cute farm animal. We have donkey. Let's make him clean. Here we go, donkey. And the next one we have a very lovely goose, which is no doubt a very beautiful farm animal and a kind of bird who can fly. So we have this goose, which is very muddy. Let's make her clean. Here we go, goose. Now the next one we have a cute duck, which is almost dipped into the mud ground. As you can see, this duck is very muddy, but duck is a very beautiful farm animal who gives eggs. So let's make her clean. Here we go, duck. And the next one we have a bull who have two big horns, and bull is a male cow, and bull is another very useful farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go, bull. And as you can see, wow, that's a very beautiful combination made by a kid nearby me. So the next farm animal we have a rat, mouse. So this mouse has a big tail, and another little farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go, mouse. And now we have the big farm animals. So let's go for this rabbit first. As rabbits are our number 4 farm animal. As he is cute, he is big ear. The rabbit are very adorable and very beautiful farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go, rabbit. Let's see what we have next one. And the next one, let's go for this cute cow, which is no doubt a very beautiful and a very useful farm animal who gives us every day a lots of milk in the morning and in the night. So cow gives milk 2 times in a day, and the cow is the main source of energy, calcium, protein. So let's clean this beautiful, muddy and useful cow, which is the number 4 in our today farm animal video. Here we go. Our beautiful cow is clean and she looks so pretty. So let's throw him in the wash tub, and you can see this wash tub is full with this lovely farm animal. So here comes number 2, and our number 2 big farm animal we have is horse, which is a very loyal a very big, a very cute, and a very fast animal of farm world. Horses are very useful. We take a lots of work from these horses. So let's clean this big farm animal. Here we go. This horse is clean and he looks so adorable. Let's put him back. In the mud, in the washtub. And now we have the number one and the very big farm animal, which is camel. Do you know, kids? Camels are also known as the desert sheep because their feet, yes, they are perfectly made for the desert. As desert is a very hot space, and these camel comes in the farm animal. People do farming of this camel because we have a lots of benefit with this camel. So camels are number one our today the farm animal, and it's very muddy, so let's make him clean. Here we go. Our big camel, the big farm animal, is clean. So let's throw him back in the water, and you can see our washtub is full with these big farm animals. So let's throw them back, and our mud ground is empty. So it's time to say goodbye. Before this, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.